Hey guys, welcome back to another video on Priscilla's Stuffing Things. Today I thought I would bring you just a quick, super easy recipe. I'm gonna call it seasoned oyster crackers. The ingredients for this are gonna be oyster crackers, garlic powder, dried dill, a ranch seasoning pack, an Italian seasoning pack, and olive oil. All right, we're gonna put our oyster crackers in the bowl. I like to use these bowls because they come with lids and we're gonna be mixing it, so it makes it that much easier. To get this going, I'm gonna go ahead and set my oven at 250 so that can go ahead and warm up. We're gonna take our olive oil and just drizzle it around on the oyster crackers. You guys know me, if you've been here a while, there is no measuring happening, okay? Then I'm going to take my ranch packet. You guys should have these in your pantry at all times because I use them for so many things. They're awesome on this. They're really good on potatoes. I've used them for pork chops. So I'm telling you, this is my favorite dressing. It's a good seasoned Italian dressing, and you just add olive oil and vinegar and water. So I like to add this to the oyster crackers just to give it a little flavor. Some dried dill. So this recipe, guys, is really good for, you can just have it for snacks. You can take it to parties, so it might be good for, you know, like Christmas party, football party, anything. Or you can make it and then put it into little cute bags and do Christmas presents or holiday presents for teachers and stuff like that. This is super cost effective. So I'm gonna just put my lid on and toss it around. So you're getting your workout in as you make the oyster crackers. Once you have it good and mixed, then just pour it on your baking sheet. Kind of move it around so nothing is like too on top of each other. And then you will just throw this in the oven, and like I said, it's on 250 for about 10 minutes. Just to kind of let all those flavors really set in and let your olive oil dry up. There you go. Our oven is ready. Oh no, this is a problem living at our house.
Oh,
rookie mistake. So this is our hiding place from Abigail. You guys know if you've been here a while. And I forgot to check. Dang it. Crisis diverted. Rookie mistake. See, you're in real life here. So just put these in there. Set your timer. I won't set our other one so it doesn't set off all of your timers. And go do something else for 10 minutes. There you go. We hear you. We hear you. All right, so we're pulling them out. Now, you can either just let them sit here and cool off, but I typically just put them back in my bowl and then keep the lid on it. Obviously, if you are gonna make these for gifts, you wanna let them fully cool down before you're putting them in bags or anything like that. But that's it, guys. It's so easy, I'm telling you. It's such a fun snack for the kids or for gifts. So thank you so much for watching. We will see you next time. Bye, guys.